Hi guys, today I will show you how you can remove the front bumper, install the front lip, because I got mine broken off or pulled off. I went quite deep into the mud pit, and when I reversed it, the whole front lip broke off. Normally it's quite an easy thing to fix it back because it's just on the clips, but my clips are broken, so we'll take the bumper off, we'll get these lower lip on, and as well where the front opening is, and right over there is a radiator cooler which doesn't have any grill in front of it, so we'll also be installing a front grill right here in the front to make sure that no small stones on the road is going to damage the cooler. So let's get started. Open the hood, and you need to remove these small 4 rivets right here and over there to get the front grille off, and then we can access the further screws down here. And these rivets look like this, so you just have a screwdriver across one and unscrew it, it goes out, and then you can pull it out all together like that. And when the rivets are out, just grab it and take it off. It doesn't hold on anything down here, just the clips, and it comes off. Then let's go underneath the car, and there are 3 screws over there, so these need to be removed, and then the front part of it is going to be loose. And when you remove these 2 pins, there is one 8mm screw right here, but it does look that my securing point was a bit already loose, so it just jumped out. And right here a bit further there's another plug which sits up like that, so I used the screwdriver, I got it out, but as you can see there's a slot, so the front bumper would just slide out even without removing this. So make sure you remove this first screw, and that should be enough. Let's do it on the other side now. I have done the other side as well, and now the front bumper just should slide off. And when you have the bumper off, you also have to remove the front parking sensor connector, the front headlight washer tube, and as well as the connector for the head, for the fog lamps. You put the front lip on because there are normally quite many tabs, but all of these tabs, well, I say most of them are broken off, so I'll just put it on and I'll show you how we can secure it, and it will hold and stay firm and won't be able to lose it while we are driving. So I have secured it in some places with these small screws right here as well, also on the other side here and here as well, and now it's firm. Now it's time to put some grill inside here to protect the lower cooler from some small stones and chips while you're driving. And this is the type of mesh, like a grill I have, and I will cut it to the size, and we'll see how we can secure it properly. So this is what I end up with, is the mesh. Mesh is cut to the size, made some longitudinal cuts, bended this edge in, also made some cuts here because it's like up and down. You can see how I bended it, and it sits really nice and it sits straight. So now it's left to secure it, and we'll be ready to put it back on the car. And this is where I ended up. That's how it looks now. And this is from the inside. I used these small screws in quite a few places to secure it. And it's going to be very firm. It's going to stay there and protect the cooler. And now during the installation is an important and easy thing. When you slide these slots over here, so that will keep the bumper in place. These tabs here should line up these openings here, and then everything else, you don't forget to connect the parking sensor, the switch for the lights, and as well the hose for the headlight washer. So when you had the bumper on and you clipped it in these places, and it's kind of holds itself nice, come down and insert and tighten this screw on both sides. That will keep it from sliding out, and then you can start going underneath the car and tighten these 3 screws, the ones we removed. And when the 3 bottom screws are tight, install now the fender liner rivets, these 2 on both sides. And now is the last bit. The grille goes on. And the remaining couple of rivets. And look at the end result. The lower lip is on, as well as the nice grille installed. It's a really nice fine mesh, so it'll be really good protecting the cooler, and it's gonna look nice.